The 1965 BMW 1800 Ti pickup is one of the rarest and most unusual vehicles ever associated with the Bavarian automaker. Born from BMW's Neue Klasse, New Class series, it combines the precision engineering of a performance sedan with the practicality of a utility vehicle, a concept almost foreign to German carmakers of the time. The story begins with the BMW 1800, introduced in 1963 as part of the Neue Klasse lineup that saved BMW from financial collapse. Powered by the M10 inline-4 engine, the car offered reliability, performance, and modern engineering. The upgraded 1800 Ti, Turismo Internazionale, arrived shortly after, featuring tuning by Alpina. This version included twin Solex PHH side draft carburetors, higher compression pistons, and improved suspension, raising output to 110 horsepower and 100 pound-feet of torque. While the standard 1800 Ti was designed as a sporty four-door sedan, one or possibly two examples were converted into pickup trucks during the mid-1960s. These conversions were reportedly commissioned by BMW dealerships to serve as service vehicles, practical tools for transporting parts and tools, rather than showroom curiosities. The pickup retained the original M10 engine and four-speed manual transmission, ensuring that even as a utility vehicle, it maintained BMW's characteristic driving dynamics. The transformation was clever rather than crude. The rear passenger area was replaced by a flat cargo bed with a covered compartment, while the rear doors were re-engineered to open into storage spaces. The result resembled an Australian-style ute, blending utility with European craftsmanship. Inside, the pickup kept its wood-grain dashboard and blue cloth upholstery, now heavily aged but authentic to its period. Only two BMW 1800 Ti pickups are believed to have existed, and the second vehicle's location remains unknown. The surviving example, recently listed for sale in Europe, shows signs of wear, but remains road-legal and mechanically functional. With roughly 39,000 miles on the odometer, it stands as a tangible link to BMW's experimental past. Today, the 1965 BMW 1800 Ti pickup represents a unique fusion of performance heritage and utilitarian ingenuity. It's a forgotten chapter in BMW's history, proof that even in the 1960s, the company wasn't afraid to challenge convention and build something entirely unexpected.